Hi guys.
Hi guys.
And guess what?
This is Mercy Family. This is Mercy.
And this is Aaron.
Wife, husband with two kids, a girl and a boy. Welcome to our family official channel.
Karibuni sana. And by the way, mnaonaje hii kapo? Sinaweza. Mkitusupport tutaenda far. By the way, ukiona hii video, comment, like and share to your friends and make sure you subscribe. Asanteni sana.
Guys, as you see, this is a new channel. Na hapa tutakuwa tunawaletea our life routine. Kila siku tutakuwa na upload kitu kwa sababu yenu. So guys, make sure you subscribe, you share, you like, you comment, and you keep in touch on this channel every day.
Tunawapenda sana.
Welcome to our channel.
Make sure you click that red button. Thank you.